I know a few people yang don't know yang macam pegang raba-raba macam ni is okay. It's not okay. They think that, oh, that's showing love, it's normal.
Yes,
touches.
especially when your uncles and aunties, I mean, your uncles do it to you, you feel that it's okay. Yes, it is true. I mean, I have to agree with you. Masa kita kecil-kecil dulu pun memang macam tu. Macam, you know, oh, uncle datang, you kena pergi salam. Oh, give uncle a hug. Give uncle a kiss.
Yep.
You know, and we have to do it because
Nanti you tak respect.
Yes.
You tak ada adab.
But you have to teach the children here now in the future that this, you know, there's boundaries. And if your child don't want to do that, you can't force the child to do that.
Yes.
You know, parents have to change their mindset already.
It's not about the children being rude, but it's about them not being comfortable.
Yes.
And it's okay for them not to be comfortable.
And sometimes children, they orang sense things yang kita tak boleh sense.
Yeah.
You faham tak? Dia orang nampak, dia orang boleh tengok cara uncle tu tengok dia orang lain. They know that it is not right, tapi dia tengok mak dengan daddy okay saja dengan uncle ni, so we should trust the uncle too. But no, children sometimes they see things that we don't see. So you have to listen to your children.